let's dive right into it. First and foremost, if you guys don't know what Clickbank is, Clickbank hundreds if not thousands of dollars with that. You can search for different offers to promote as an affiliate. And basically, when you drive website visitors to these unique affiliate links and people land on the page and actually decide to make a purchase of that product, you'll get paid a commission. So we need to find an actual affiliate product after we create an account, if you guys haven't already. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the marketplace where there's going to be different categories. Now, what I recommend when it comes to finding affiliate products, I would definitely start with the products and just finding like the top products. And majority of the time, the top products are usually going to be in the health and fitness. But then sometimes you're going to find things along the lines of His Secret Obsession and Overnight Millionaire, which are in the romance and the self-development niche, and then Ted's Woodworking, which is in woodworking. But basically, let's just say I was to go ahead and actually promote Lefty Talks. The cool thing is that I don't need a website to actually use this method that I'm about to teach you guys. But basically, what I would do is if I wanted to go ahead and actually promote this product, I would then press the promote button, and what happened is now I'm going to go ahead and actually get access to my unique affiliate link. But before we get into that, how much money can I earn per sale? On average, about $63, and they're paying, I believe, maybe like 75% of that. So I'm probably going to go ahead and generate about like $45 to $50 commissions every time I generate a sale on average, right? So what I'm going to do is basically go ahead and add my my unique nickname to my hop link, and then I'm going to go and get this hop link. Now, what I would recommend, instead of promoting this ugly link here, I would recommend going to something called bit.ly.com. And with bit.ly, you can go ahead and change ugly long links like this to links like this, bit.ly/leftytalksfatloss. And then I would just press copy, and then it's going to go and actually bring these people to the same link here, which if I was to go ahead and actually open up what this page would look like, and this is the same page that I would be sending website visitors to. It's going to go ahead and send people to the sales presentation, and in the sales presentation, I'm basically going to be, or not I'm going to, but the people who actually created the program Lefty Talks is going to go ahead and have a sales video that is going to basically explain how my product can help them lose weight. Now that we actually have the offer, we need to drive website visitors to this page, so that way when people see this video, they make a purchase, I get paid a commission, which is basically going to be on average about $50, right? So now this is the method that we're going to be using, which is basically YouTube video marketing, and we're going to be actually driving traffic to the affiliate offer. So basically, when people, two of the biggest search engines on the world are Google and YouTube. So if you've ever searched like how to lose weight, or how to make money online, or how to make money on Clickbank, or whatever, right? The two places that people usually search for this is YouTube or on Google. So basically what you want to happen is you want your actual content to show up, and then once they show up, you want to go ahead and give them some sort of value-based content, and then put your links in the description, and then drive those website visitors to your actual affiliate offer. Now, what we're going to do here is, before we actually get into that, I want to go ahead and show you guys a way that is simple to where you guys don't even have to go ahead and actually show your face. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and actually get a YouTube video idea by going to Google, right? So the same thing that people search on Google if they're trying to solve a problem, right? People who want to solve that problem would obviously be interested in this type of product, right? So people who are searching how to lose weight on Google or on YouTube are trying to solve that problem. So I'm going to find different articles that are ranked number one, and then I'm going to go ahead and actually, for example, find 10 ways to lose weight without dieting. Now, instead of me actually creating this YouTube video myself, I'm literally just going to go ahead and give this article and say, I want a YouTube video to be created using this idea and using this content. And then I would go ahead and actually go to Fiverr, Fiverr.com. You could type in YouTube creation, and you have people who will create content. This guy has created, 45 45 votes, right? And he charges $10 for a video. So you can find people who literally have videos starting at $5, so on and so forth. So you can literally have people create content for you for as cheap as $5, as high as as high as $10. So what I would do is they probably have maybe 2 to 10 to 5 minutes, whatever it is, right? I'll just go ahead and give them the article and say, hey, I want you to go ahead and create a YouTube video leveraging this article. And then you want to let them know what type of call to action to put at the end of the article to have to basically tell people to click the link at the bottom or in the description, so that you can drive that those traffic, those YouTube viewers to your website. So that's the first part. Then the next thing is, okay, cool. I also don't have any graphic design skills, so I'm going to go ahead and actually create a YouTube thumbnail using Fiverr as well. So basically, all in all, maybe maximum, if I pay $10 for the YouTube video to get created, then $5 to get the thumbnail created, I'm invested $15. Now, let's just see if I was to go onto YouTube, right? Let's just say on YouTube, if I was to type in how to lose weight, or 10 ways to lose weight. So I'll do 10 ways to lose weight without dieting. So let's just say see what the top piece of content is ranked. 10 ways to lose weight without dieting. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually just type that right there and then see if anything comes up. So imagine I didn't create the actual, so 10 ways to lose weight without dieting. So guys, look, if I was to go ahead and have somebody, and you notice here, this is like literally not, this looks like it was created by somebody. It doesn't look like somebody showing their face or anything. It has 1.3 million views. So imagine if you were to get 1.3 million views for $15 spent, and let's just say a small percentage of those people actually click the link in your description. Let's just say 0.0001%, which would be like 13,000 people. Imagine how much money you'd be able to make if you sent 13,000, let alone let's just say 1,300 people to this page, and only a small percentage of those people, you'd make hundreds if not thousands of dollars with that one YouTube video. Now, yes, this isn't an instant get rich quick overnight success type thing. This is something that takes time. So we're gonna have to get enough people to actually create YouTube videos and create thumbnails for you. You need to find these actual articles, right? So find these different articles. And you have to remain consistent, meaning you want to go ahead and actually consistently produce content to drive website visitors to your affiliate offer. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and, let's just say you have a budget of $100 per week that you could spend. What you could do is you can go ahead and spend that, let's just say, on 6 videos per week, $15 per week. That's 6 videos per week. That's almost a video every single day, and you can start building these pieces of content and this real estate to where they're literally just going to go ahead and eventually, if you get 1 or 2 of them to rank, they're going to make you a whole bunch of money. And the real money is made is once you actually get people to start subscribing to your YouTube channel, and you get people that actually know, like, and trust you. So with that being said, this is going to allow you to do Clickbank affiliate marketing, leveraging YouTube traffic, but you don't have to actually show your face, and you don't have to even create the videos. So you're literally just kind of like paying for somebody to do majority of the work for you. You just give them the idea, you drive the traffic to your offers, you collect the commission, and everybody's happy. Now, at the end of the day, guys, there is a little bit more to affiliate marketing. I would highly recommend doing email marketing, building sales funnels, setting up sales automation. If you guys don't know how to do that and you guys want done for you materials to where I'll actually go ahead and give you guys access to emails that I'm using, offers that I'm using, sales funnels that I'm using, literally everything that I'm using to make 6 figures online, grab access to Woes Academy below by going to becomeawolf.com or clicking the